The Buck Knives 110 Slim Select is a colorful everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This take on the 110 Folding Hunter has recognizable features with an updated, modern look. The decreased weight, slim profile, and deep carry pocket clip makes this knife suitable for everyday carry. Measuring 3.75 inches, the 420HC stainless steel clip point blade has a tumbled finish, an easy one-handed opening thumb stud, and locks back for safety. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 110 have been replaced with a glass-filled nylon handle to ensure rigidity and the quality you expect from Buck. It's available in 4 colors: black, blue, red, and chartreuse, and weighs in at only 2.8 ounces. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 110 Slim Select.